Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify create a talent scout app with Breezy HR no-code workflows step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Breezy HR account. Once logged in, navigate to the Workflows section on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Workflow button at the top right corner. Choose the no-code workflow option to begin creating your talent scout app. Select the relevant templates that fit your scouting needs, or start from scratch. Add a name to your workflow that reflects its purpose, such as Talent Scout App. In the Setup section, drag and drop elements from the sidebar to build your workflow. Consider adding a candidate submission form first to gather initial applications. Customize the form by adding fields for name, contact information, and relevant experience. You may also want to include a section for portfolio links or social media profiles. Once your form is ready, configure the notification settings to alert you of new submissions. Next, introduce an approval step to review candidates before moving forward in the process. Add automatic emails to notify candidates about the status of their application. To enhance functionality, you can integrate other apps, such as Google Sheets or Slack. For better organization, consider tagging applicants based on their skills or potential fit. Test the workflow by submitting a dummy application to ensure everything functions correctly. After confirming that all components work as intended, click the Publish button. Your Talent Scout app is now live and ready for use. Monitor incoming applications and adjust your workflow as needed for better efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.